All right, so the last video we went ahead and we displayed a job in this single, in this details page right here. So if we look down, we're gonna see that we have save job and apply now, but we're not gonna take care of those just yet. We're gonna go ahead and work with this first, the related jobs section. All right, so I want to display a couple of jobs right over here, that are from the same category as this job right here. All right, but we're not going to display this single job down over there. All right, so I want to pick up a couple of jobs that are from the same category, and they're not with this ID right here, or this job will not be in. All right, so to do this, I want to create a categories table first. So I want to go right over here and click new first. All right, so let's actually go ahead and go categories like this. All right, so this will be ID. It's going to be pretty simple, and this will be like 10, and this will be auto increment. All right, so it's going to be a primary key, and this will be the name. This is the name of the category. This will be varchar, and this will be 200. This will be created underscore at. All right, so this will be varchar. This is not varchar. This is going to be a timestamp, and this will be updated at right here. So this will also be a timestamp. All right, so if we just click on save. All right, invalid default. All right, so yeah, we need to keep those current timestamps, so it will grab the current timestamp for both. So yeah. All right, so let's insert a couple. So this one right here should be programming. For example, let's insert another one. So what do you think that we should call it? Let's keep it design. All right, so we click go. All right, so awesome. But if we go to the jobs table right now, we will see that we do not have any category, for this, that we do not have any category column right here. So we should actually add one. So I want to go to the structure, and I want to go, where should we insert it? Let's insert it right after image. That's fine. So if we just go right here, click category, right category, sorry, and if we go varchar, this will be 200. Save. All right, so I wanna actually go ahead. Company, yeah, it's right here. All right, so this will be programming, and I want to insert another job. All right, so this will be job title. Well, actually, let's keep it just graphic designer. All right, job region, let's keep it like Cairo. The company, we're gonna keep it like Google. I know it's stupid, there's no such a thing, but we will just keep it as this. So job title, we're gonna keep it part-time. All right, so the vacancy is like 2. Let's find the experience. We copy like big text. The salary is like, well, let me copy from here right away. It's just some dummy data. And the gender, let's go with any. All right, so the application deadline, let's also copy this, and the job description. All right, so let me copy all of this. Responsibilities, paste the same right away. Other benefits also the same. All right, so as for the image of the company, I don't think that we have an image for Google, so let me just go right here. And if we go to public, if we go to assets, images right here. All right, so these are job logos right here. We go down at the bottom. All right, so we have one for Amazon. So we go up there, Amazon, like this. So yeah, so this print, yeah, so there is Amazon. So let's actually copy the whole name of the image and paste. So this will be, the category will be design. All right, so you can actually click on go. Huh. I don't want this to be design. I want it to be from the same category as the first job, so we can actually fetch it down here and see it. So I want this to be like programming. Let's change the job title so it will make more sense. So I want this to be like let's see, front end developer. All right, so let's insert this right away. Click go right here. All right, so check that out. They're basically the same category right here. All right, so let's try now and create. I want to create a model for the categories. So let me just go right here. Oh, actually, this doesn't matter. So if we just go, all right, so this will be in the job folder right here. Or should we create, I think that we should create a category folder right here. So this will be a category model like this. All right, so it's going to generate it for us. As you can see, now it's generated. So if we look right here, HTTP, we go to models right here, and if we go to category, all right, we can go to the job right away and we can copy the code. So we do not need to write this whole thing from scratch. Copy and go right use factory, right under use factory, and this will be categories like this. So let's delete all of this, and we need right here is the name. This will be created at updated at. All right, so yeah, let's save this whole thing now. So what we want to do right now is we want to create the logic right over here. So in the single right here, we're passing in the ID. So let's go right after this and go right here, getting related jobs. And if we were here, related jobs, we go right here and just go job, where, let's see, we want to grab yeah, so we want to grab them by the category. So I want to go where category, we want to grab them based on the category. So I'm going to go category right here. It will be from the same category as the current job. So I want to go right here and I want to go category like this. All right, so I want to take, well, actually I want another where So because I need to actually where the ID, let's see right here, where the ID does not equal let's see, where the ID does not equal the ID that we're grabbing up here. All right, so right after this, I need to take, let's see how many jobs that we need to take. Here is actually a lot. So we got like 7 right here. So I'm just gonna keep it simple and just take 5. All right, so I want after this to go and get them like this. All right, so this should actually do the trick. So again, we need the jobs that are from the same category. This is why I put the category right here as the category that's coming from this same job. And where the ID does not equal the ID, because I don't want to grab the same jobs that we're displaying at this page. And right after this, I'm going to take all these 3. I'm going to limit the data to, I'm going to limit the data to 5. And I'm going to get the data right after this. All right, so if we just copy this, and if we go right here and paste, save, let's copy this and let's go to single right now. And if we try to look up related jobs, so as you can see right here, this is the related this is the related job. So we will have a couple of jobs right here. We will have a couple of static jobs. So let's delete all of them, or let's delete those ones right here. We only need one. So let's delete this. Let's go at the top of this. Let's start our own for each. So I'm just gonna go for each like this. Related jobs as job right here. I'm gonna keep this job like this. Let's now take this li and just paste right here. So awesome. So let's copy this. And if we go down at the bottom, just simply just the link for playing the single job. So I want to go up there and I want to grab it. It's right here. Well, this is the image, it's not this. So we just go single like this. We go route. Well, that's actually in the home. So sorry about that. Yeah, there it is. So let's copy this right here, and we go single like this. All right, so there we go. Let's now paste this in. All right, and right after this we have the image. So let's copy this once more. Let's go right here, job, and there is image. Let's go asset right here, images, blah blah blah. So I want to go assets first slash images, and we're gonna concatenate this here. Cut, paste. All right, so there we go. We go right here. This is job title. All right, so this is company. And this is right here. What was that exactly? Yeah, this is the job location. So the job region right here. So yeah, job region. So let's copy this so that this is just job type. like that. All right, so I think that this will, this will be enough. So let's save this. Let's see if we will have any errors or not. All right, so it's refreshing. There is no errors right here, but it's not displaying anything, which is of course means that something is wrong. All right, so let's see what we have. So if we go back to logic, to related jobs, job right here, where the category is equal to the job category right here. I want to go. All right, so I want here. So this is the category programming. I want to copy this. So let's go to the categories table. Well, let's actually paste this in. Let's try and refresh once again. All right, so nothing. So where the ID does not equal the ID from here, and where the category take 5 get. All right, so just give me a second. All right, so the problem is pretty simple. If we go right here, you can see that I actually made it so it will be like this. This should be like the exclamation mark first and then the equal sign, and just save. And if we refresh, it will show up right away, just like you're seeing right here. If we open this up, as you can see, it will go to the slash, a single /2. If we go down at the bottom, down here, you're gonna see, right, so this is the experience right here, should be in here. So I probably wrote something wrong about the experience down here. Is it fine over here? Yeah, it's fine right over here. So there is something wrong with actually the experience right here. So yeah, let's paste this right here. All right, so there we go. So if we refresh, all right, so again, back to the main problem, which I solved just yet. If you see, that, if you look down here, you can see that we have now the job with the /1. If you insert another job with, in another category, it should not actually show up right here, because we're only grabbing the jobs with the programming category. All right, I want to also grab a number of related jobs right here dynamically. And we have this code right here at the home. So let me go right and grab this count, and well, actually, we go to the jobs right here, and if we try paste this in, right, so job all count. All right, so I think that we need to grab this, paste right here, and this will be count. Let's copy this. This will be count right here. Let's send this down here and save. Let's copy this right now, and go to the view and go down here, and yeah, this will actually be all. So just save this. This should actually refresh, and as you can see, we only have one related jobs for now. All right, so this is actually refreshing too. So we have one related jobs. As you can see, it's pretty simple. We got this done. So all what we do now, I want to remove this design, those two sections, because they're not even that important. So I want to go right down at the bottom, and this is the first section, and this is the second section. Let's just comment them for now. This should refresh. All right, so as you can see, they're both gone now, and they're not messing up anything else. So let's just remove and save. So as you can see, so yeah, we should take care of the next video. We should take care of this share job part right here. All right, so this will be all, and I will see you on the next one.